Speak normally.
Freyjum Seslenberg. These Gostenars.
Language analysis complete.
Is this working? We were on a science mission inside the nebula. Our ship suffered a critical malfunction. I took an escape pod before the ship crash-landed on a nearby planet. We need a ship capable of navigating the nebula. You must have someone who can help us.
We tracked her stranded ship to a sector of uncharted nebula. Here at 210, Mark 14.
Long-range scan?
No data. The nebula is too dense. It's uncharted space.
Well, the Enterprise does have the best navigational system in the fleet. She could handle it.
The only ship here with more advanced technology is still under construction. But it's not just the ship that I'm sending.
I'll gather the crew.
Captain, Starfleet Command sent me your application for the Vice Admiral position here at this installation.
Yes, ma'am. If I may, I would recommend Commander Spock replace me as captain of the Enterprise. He is an exemplary Starfleet officer. He'd make a great captain.
It isn't uncommon, you know, even for a captain, to want to leave. There's no relative direction in the vastness of space. There's only yourself, your ship, your crew. It's easier than you think to get lost.
It's not
I'll bring it up with the General Council. We'll discuss it when you return.
Ma'am.